Hello, Pierre.
What's going on, man?
What are you doing out here today?
About to go skydiving.
Nice, man. Any special occasion?
Yeah, Friday was my birthday, but birthday's all month, I guess.
Well, happy birthday.
Thank you.
Is this your first time jumping?
Yes, it is.
Do you have anybody out here with you today to make the jump?
Yeah, we got Kayla over there.
All right. Y'all excited, ready to go?
Oh, you know, man.
All right, we'll head out there in a few minutes. Is there anything you want to say to friends and family back home watch this video?
Don't want to end up like Peggy Hill.
All right. See you out there. Have fun, man. Yeah, Pierre, what do you think, man?
Let's go.
Wasn't that cool?
Man, you're free.
Can I give you a hand on up?
Let's go. Appreciate it, man.
So go ahead and take those goggles off. Tell me, what was the best part of that skydive?
It's beautiful up there, man.
Yeah?
Fucking pretty.
Oh.
You're like a bird.
You think you're gonna do that again sometime?
so.
Hey, thanks for coming out to Skydive DeLand. Nice job. Couple pictures of you and your instructor. Oh yeah, nice job.